Jane.
I'm Ann.
And we are going to not continue with our book today, the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook. We're going to continue with one of Ann's most recent wonderful recipes. Well, she surprised us all. It was so good.
Well, actually, I got the idea from this, from the Minimalist Baker. So, it's a, and I did it for Thanksgiving, which everybody was totally loved. So you take a cauliflower, and I got this fabulous tool from Brian last Christmas. And I can only tell you, my son-in-law, that it is amazing in going, so you put this in here. You know how there's that big hunk of thing in the cauliflower, and you never...
The heart of the cauliflower.
And you want to get it out because the whole point in this is to get all these nice little tiny...
florets. It's quite a weapon.
No, but Jane, it's amazing. I mean, I tell you, it is amazing because I have got this whole thing out without all the problem. And then I want to take each little floret like this, and you can cut them, but you want them in tiny little pieces.
Tiny little florets.
And to save, so while Jane is doing this, I want to show you the next steps, because this takes a bit of time to get, because they need to be tiny. And the next thing I'm going to do is, I always cook lentils. Jane buys them sometimes in a can, but I cook them. They take like 17 minutes. And
can I say something about lentils?
Yeah.
Lentils, I was really intrigued when I started cooking lentils, when I stopped getting them from a can all the time, that you cook them kind of like pasta, in that you add a bunch of water to lentils, and then once they're done, and you pour off the excess water just like you would with when you're cooking pasta. For a while I thought it was kind of like rice, and you'd have to meet the amount of water needed when you started, and it's not. You can just sort of pour off any excess. But
so, I'm going to let Jane finish this, and I have my lentils cooked. I did that ahead. And then I'm going to assemble a dressing, a salad dressing. And I am taking a tablespoon of this Thai kitchen green curry paste. And this also comes in the red curry paste, but believe it or not, the red curry paste has less sodium, but it adds fish sauce. So I like the green curry paste.
Is there a yellow one?
No, I just know of those two. So there's the curry, and then I have some hummus, a couple tablespoons of hummus, and I have 2 tablespoons of lemon. And it so happens that as a present this year, Char gave me these crazy lemons. Char Nolan.
Great friend from Philadelphia.
And she gave me these, she knows I love lemon. So this is called a sour orange or a sour Seville.
She has her cheat sheet over there.
Yeah, and the thing about it is it's got a lot of seeds, but I am using this as my 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in here. There's also another little crazy lemon that I got, which is called a yuzu lemon, and I have to show you.
Yuzu?
I guess that the skin of these is really good to zest. But look at the seeds in that. It's mostly seeds. I tried to use the juice, but I could only get seeds out.
Do you need my lemon press for once?
No, because it's all seeds.
Well, that's
I think the thing about this is that you need to use the zest.
Oh.
So.
My gosh, this cauliflower is endless.
Yeah, it's endless. It's a lot. And so I'm going to mix this all up. Okay, on that, I am going to put about...
So these are little florets. Some of them are larger than the other.
This is just a little water. This is about 2 tablespoons of water.
Is that so things will cling to it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
And then I am going to put 2 teaspoons of curry in here, curry powder. Just sprinkle that on. Mix that up. Well, I continue over here with my sauce. And I'm going to add to this 2 tablespoons, and I am using lemon balsamic, but any white balsamic would work, or if you don't have white, use any balsamic. And I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons here and
And a
mix it up. Yeah, finger. And then this is the dressing. And while Jane is, I'm going to assemble the basic.
Is this just ready to go in the oven now?
Yeah, just put that on a
So this is just
parchment
cauliflower, water, and
paper. Curry.
Any
And
kind
by
of
the
curry
way-
powder? What kind of curry powder did you use? Did you use?
I just used
Is it garam masala?
Frontier Indian curry seasoning. Any curry powder is fine. So what I'm going to do to assemble, while that's cooking, I want to just get the rest kind of assembled.
Wait, how temperature and how long?
400 for about half an hour until it all is crispy.
Crispy and brown. Okay, we'll do.
So I'm going to put in about 4
Why
or
don't
5.
Why don't we wait and do that until this is brown? You think?
I want to do it now
Okay.
because I'm going to put in about 4 or 5 cups of any kind of greens. You could use kale, anything. And then on top of that, I'm going to put my lentils. Just spread those out all on top. And then you're not going to believe the next thing, because the next thing is what I think makes the difference. It's grapes. Now I've tried this with smaller red grapes. I love the big fat green grapes. Maybe 1.5 to 2 cups of grapes.
The red grapes were great the other day when we had them.
You like them the other day? Well, I love the big
great.
fat green ones. But
Well, I think it
any-
matters
any
on
grapes.
how
And then
crunchy they are.
we have to wait a minute for the
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So while we're doing that, we'll do some jumping jacks or...
Maybe even a little wee nap. Just kidding. We have a little while, so we'll be right back. Okay.
Oh,
Hi. We're just in from running around the house for a little while to burn up the 30 minutes, and it's done. It's ready. Okay, Ann, how do we continue with your recipe?
all right.
Oh, they shrink down a little bit too.
Yeah, aren't they beautiful?
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
So,
We just grab it? Ha, ha, ha.
just, woohoo, it's a little hot, but it's, put it right there on top. Look at that. Look
it's
at that.
beautiful.
Sorry. Look at that. I mean, it's
That's
just
gorgeous.
delicious. And I tell you,
Do we dress it now or after or at the...
yeah, let's dress it. Well, should we? Yes.
Yeah, I want to try. Give it a taste.
Did you bring some things to stir it up with?
Our forks. Or do you want to, we can toss it.
I think you got to toss it because there's so many good things. And you know what? The thing is, that what's so cool about this, I don't have my tossers.
Let's try these two. So it's arugula and grapes.
Or you could put any greens. And you could put any amounts of things. But it's just such a cool idea. I think that recipe of the Minimalist Baker for giving me this idea.
Oh, yes. Thank you, thank you. All right, I'm going to taste it. Okay, here's your fork. Lentils, grapes, cauliflower with water and curry, and arugula. Oh, this is a big wobbly one. It's so warm. It's such a great flavor. It's such a great, the dressing is really great. I could lick that bowl. All right, I'm gonna finish eating
Maybe
this bowl.
it's these sour Seville lemons.
Whatever it is, give it a go. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.